Hi, you're watching the news with me. I'm Deepavali Hazra. These are the headlines at the top of 12. Prime Minister Modi will address a special event at the national capital today being held in memory of the Kargil war heroes. The 3-hour event will be held in Delhi's Indira Gandhi Indoor Stadium. Screening of patriotic videos and performances by military bands are part of the program. 11 flights have been cancelled and 9 diverted as Mumbai received heavy rainfall over the last 24 hours. The Mumbai-Kolhapur Mahalakshmi Express carrying 2,000 passengers is stuck between Badlapur and Bangani due to flooding. Mumbai Police has requested city residents to maintain distance from the sea. Sushma Swaraj has lashed out at Samajwadi Party MP Azam Khan, calling him mentally perverted and asking for stringent action against him to maintain the decorum of the House. The former Union Minister said that the sexist comment made by Azam Khan at Rama Devi, who was officiating as the Speaker, had crossed all limits of decency. B.S. Yediyurappa took oath as Karnataka Chief Minister and said that he will prove majority on Monday at 10 a.m. and immediately after that pass the finance bill. The Assembly has to pass the bill before July the 31st to keep the state machinery moving smoothly. Meanwhile, JDS held a meeting where some MLAs suggested H.D. Kumaraswamy support the BJP government from outside, while others said that the JDS should stay in opposition and strengthen the party. The centre is reinforcing security in Jammu and Kashmir with a massive troop movement on the cards. This decision comes after National Security Advisor Ajit Doval made a 2-day visit to the state to review the law and order situation. At least 10,000 troops of paramilitary forces will be deployed, especially for counter-insurgency operations. US President Donald Trump stirred a fresh controversy by calling the French president foolish. He went on a Twitter rant over digital services tax on American companies imposed by the French government. He even threatened a reciprocal tax on French wine. The Trump administration said that the tax unfairly targets US tech giants. That's all for now. Stay tuned for more updates.